In this legal series, I'm going to talk about one nation, one election, which is not new to the India. From 1951 to 1967, India has held simultaneous election to the states as well as nation. It is known facts. But now it has to be legalized. Maybe it's the agenda of the BJP government in the election. After winning in 2014, the BJP government has announced that it is going to introduce the bill. But now it has formed the committee headed by ex-President of India, Mr. Ramnath Kovind, who is also an advocate. But the committee has been formed to examine, along with the Law Commission of India. The committee consists of 8 members, one person from the Congress. The member also has abstained. He has openly stated he is not going to be part of the member. The Congress is well known, is again working against India. It's a common one. But as far as this committee is concerned, the committee is going to examine the constitution implication as well as the amendments to other laws record. For example, Representation of the People Act, and where the amendments are needed even in the provisions and the articles of the Constitution of India and other connected acts all have to be amended. But I think the government has stated, led by BJP, that is going to enact the bill only for the purpose of reducing the expenditure for the election. Because in the elections, 3 types: state election, central election, as well as the local bodies, all have to be held. But the implications are a lot. Many critics have expressed their opinions regarding this bill, and also when it becomes the act, and those problems also. Maybe critics, they have stated a negative works and a positive works maybe. But I think this is best one. One nation, one election. Many countries have the same provisions in their act and have introduced. It will be good to the future of the India. But I think this committee will examine logistics and manpower record, including EVMs, for holding such a simultaneous election. This practice is very difficult. But currently we are 140 crores, nearly 140 crores people are living in India, and the voters are a lot. They have to be also ensured, and how many people are going to vote, and simultaneous election and the process, timing of the voting, and many things. So all will be examined by the committee to enact the law. For tabling the bill, the government has announced in the special session in the coming September 18 to 22, in which the government has to introduce many bills for the voting, but one of which this one. The recently also government has announced in the government of Bharat. It is the most welcomeable. Thank you.